Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X80 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, let's open up settings and from here scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. And here it will give you a message that performing this will remove your Google account, system, app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to back it up, simply tap on Reset Phone, erase everything, and now the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute to, probably like 5 minutes. But once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.